Thank you. That is
Okay, tuyanze kuno tu live ku Soul TV. Tu live ku Soul TV. Just kigambo kimubuza kwa tula ku Soul TV.
What do I say? Hello, we are here in Kitgum for Honorable Abel Lillian's Thanksgiving.
Yeah, you're ready to receive His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. This generation, it is a .com generation, and you're the only minister who is trending almost everywhere on Facebook, on Twitter. People who are making your pictures move and trend, they are expecting a lot from you. What do you have for them, especially the young generation?
We are doing a lot in regards to the mineral sector in particular. I'm putting all my emphasis on bettering the mineral sector, and we are starting with the regulations on the artisan miners. With time, we are yet to see that we fully utilize the available minerals that have not been given the attention that they need. So mine is to see that we attract more investment for mineral exploitation and Uganda to increase its tax base and also the citizens to benefit from their resources.
Minister, appointing General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, many they call him the leader of this generation as CDF. What does this mean for our country?
It means that the formation is in place and we, the young generation of NRM, we are ready. We are steady. Any time from now, President Museveni is our leader. He will always give us the guidance. Even in the future, after Museveni, the NRM is still in power.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Atulaku Soul TV and Ozambala bachara bebatu banyidde Honorable Nyamutoro tumufunye. Njagala kubanga of course nkomawo mu studio. Njagala kubanga nkomawo mu studio. Ebisinga tugenda kubanga tuyawereza naye nga ba minister banji abali wano ndabyeko Minister Hilary Onek eranga jukira ye office ye etwala Honorable Minister gaba appointinze ndabyeko Chief Whip Hamson Obua eranga naye kwali n'ababaka banji okuva mu maje n'abyafuza abalala ebisingako tugenda kubanga tubaweereza ngo omukulembeze w'eggwanga atuuse n'olwekyo ino kubanga weekumira ku Soul TV ja kubanga tubikutuusaako nkoze ne Edin Subga ne Peter Bunyas okulaba nga tubaweereza ekifaananyi kino kanzire mu studio ewa omukulu Abel Kitaka ate bagende maaso n'okubanga batuusaako sports.
Izo kuba wase wano n'ekirwadde naye mu buteewaana Katonda agenda kuwonya leero. Hallelujah. Ankolete birungi naimba nange natenda. Ankolete birungi naimba nange natenda. Ankolete birungi naimba nange natenda. Ankolete birungi naimba Yesu natenda. Siyinza vaano nga tetuziniddemu Katonda mpere. Kono. Jemuri. Kono. Sirina, chirala, sirina, sirina, chirala, sirina, sirina, chirina, sirina, sirina, chirala, sirina. Everybody. Sirina. Sirina. One leg to the right. Omukade we kanisa we balo kategede. Kirira. Get. Everybody.
nawe kakwate iwe kwata akazinda ruva mu mbozi.
Haleluya. Mukama wita simwe awakambira pastor witu mutariza komeke kanisa naanza kushwara abo mwese naanza kushwara abaka mwese muhurire abagize pastor witu no muyari bugingo muhurire naanza komeka kanisa
kweshongo jangu mulekaje nze muyise.
Haleluya boruganda.
Utyo
owakigambira naija kukyehakana oyo yakyogera ajja kukyegana mu linnya lya Yesu. Amina batugonderemu mu linnya lya Yesu.
Tere ngoma.
Haleluya. Olina okuzina bategeera nti abakyogera bateekwa okyegana mu linnya lya Yesu. Ate batuzinira abo bakigandala. Amazina ga Yesu. Owakigambire inaija kukyehakana. Owakigambire Shama owakigambire yayuweyo owakigambire omazima go owakigambire Shama go owakigambire ereka bamusire Shama ereka baruganda yima wa mukwano naija kukyehakana yayuweyo owakigambire naija kukyehakana owakigambire wakambire mutarisara wakambire mutaryomeka wakambire mutarisara bishama n'amataka noija kukivuga wakizire mutarizimba bishama naija kukyehakana naija kukyehakana naija kukyehakana bawatizire mutarisara bawatizire mutarishoro naija kukyehakana naija kukyehakana.
Haleluya. Mukama wita simwe. Nebagira ngo owakigambire naija kukyehakana. Yesu kwera kugarche mu naija kukyehakana.
Rutere dekati.
Haleluya. Owakigambire nateekwa kukyehakana Yesu yamara kugarukamu. Kwara kugarche mu naija kukyehakana ogwo. Haleluya. Owakigambire naija kukyehakana Yesu kwera kugarche mu naija kukyehakana. Owakigambire naija kukyehakana Yesu kwera kugarche mu naija kukyehakana. Abakize kutarishwerwa naija kukyehakana Yesu kwera kugarche mu naija kukyehakana. kuchehakana Mukayo wanyu mwena numwiza kubaboro atigambire naisha kuchehakana